Hi, we're going to list all the pairs of angles and sides that are congruent based on the given congruent statement and the figure. Those are basically triangles. So it says that our triangle RST is congruent to triangle XYZ. So that means RS goes with XZ. So RS goes with XZ. So let's write that. RS is congruent to XZ. And we know that ST is congruent to ZY. So ST is congruent to XY. So let's write that. ST is congruent to line XY. And finally, since the triangles are congruent, these sides are congruent. So you can write that RT is congruent to YZ. Now, we have to do the angles as well. So our angles, you look at the sides. So between the 1 and the 2, that is X and T, or S and X. So angle S is congruent to angle X. Wait, let's see. Make sure I did that. No. Angle S, let's see, is congruent to angle Z. Sorry about that. And we also know that angle T is congruent to angle Y. And also angle R is congruent to angle X. So S goes, let's look and see what's happening here. So basically R goes with X, so they're the first ones. T goes with Y, and then we have R goes with X. We already had that one, and S goes with Z. So you, without even looking at the figure, you could just look at the statement here. So let's try number 2. So number 2, what we can say without even looking at the triangle, we can say that AB is congruent to line DE. All right, and then we can say that BC is congruent to EF. So BC is congruent to EF. And then we can say that AC is congruent to DF. And I didn't even look at the figure. Now for the angles, we're going to do the same thing. Let me erase this. So we can say angle A is congruent to angle D. And B is congruent to E. So angle B congruent to angle E. And angle C is congruent to angle F. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.